Dear students, today I am here to guide you about how to solve the booklet 2 of science. Fine. Dear students, in booklet 2, the first one worksheet is about Thomas Edison. That who was Thomas Edison, well known for. So you can write that he was the inventor of bulb, and he has invented the phonograph, and he has improved the communication through telephone. Right. Then you have to read out the passage that Thomas Edison was a great inventor. He has done the many great discoveries, but as a child, when he was child, so he was asking too many questions, which is actually the uh, quality of a good scientist, and not being able to sit still, and school was hard for him, but he didn't give up. He read many books, and even took things apart at home to explore them, right? Then it was an interesting passage about his life. Then he has asked you that if you could invent anything now, and what would you invent? That, like, if you want to invent something, that what it will be. So you will write your own answer, because everybody is having his own inventions in mind, so you will write it by yourself. Then the next worksheet 2, it is a Bunsen burner here that you have to label. So first one is a flame. It is a non-luminous flame. Why non-luminous flame? Because it is steady, and it is a continuous flame. That's why I have called it non-luminous flame. Then you can see the air hole over there, gas tubing, base, collar, and barrel. So in the next part you have to write the function. What are their function? That the function of flame is to heat the object, right? And then collar is to open or close the air hole, base to support the burner, air hole to supply air to the flame, and gas tube provide gas to the burner. These are the functions of the parts of Bunsen burner. Okay. Then the third worksheet, he is asking you that name the hazardous symbols and write down their precautions to handle. Hazardous symbols means the identification signs that are telling us that they are dangerous things, right? And then precautions means then how to use them, how to take ourselves safe from them. So the first one is symbol is of fire, so it is a flammable substance, means petrol, alcohol. Then irritating substance, then corrosive substance that can burn your skin, poisonous substance that will kill you, biohazardous substance that are having bad effect on your living cells, and then explosive substance mean that can explode. So in the next you have to write the precautions. Flammable substance, put flammable substance away from fire, because if you put it near the fire it will blast, means alcohol, petrol, and so on. Then corrosive substance, avoid direct contact with them, and which causes the burns. If you directly touch the corrosive substance, it will burn your skin or the thing that you will be in contact with it. So explosive substance, they explode when heated or lit, they will cause the destruction. Irritating substance, avoid inhaling vapors of irritative substances, because it can damage you. Then a poisonous substance, do not eat, drink, or taste these substances. Then for biohazardous substances, avoid direct contact and dispose them in containers. Mean you will not put it in your ordinary dustbins, you will put them in separate containers, so that none of you can harm by it. Then next is worksheet number 4. It is very interesting, I must say that you have to do the comparison. Some you can say some organisms weight and body weight and brain weight is given, right? And you have to solve them according to their sizes. So the table shows the body weights of different adult animals and the weight of their brains. You can see human body weight in kilogram is 60, and human brain weight is 1400 grams. It is in grams. Dolphin 160, 1700, cat 3 and 30, kangaroo 35 and 56, elephant 4500 and 6000, then raccoon is 4 and 39, then owl is 0.7 and 2.5, and then baboon is 30 and 140. Clear? And he has shown you the pictures as well. Next is he is saying the list the animals in order of their body weight in table below, and start with the heaviest animal. Now list the animals in order of brain weight and start with the heaviest brain. I have done the opposite sequence. I have started from the smallest one, and you will start from the biggest one, means you will start from the bottom. If you see that elephant is having 100 kg Dolphin is having a 160 kg weight, then 60, 35, 34, 3 and 0.7, right? They are decreasing as their size is decreasing. And if you come towards their weight of brain, you will see if elephant is having 4500, then its brain is 6000 grams. Dolphin is having 1700 grams. Human is having 1400 grams. And kangaroo is having 56 grams. Baboon is having 140 gram. And raccoon is having 39. Then cat is having 30. And then owl is having 2.5 grams. Now here you people have noticed that everybody is in pattern. But if you notice between kangaroo and baboon, that kangaroo body weight is 35, but its brain weight is 56. As compared to baboon, its body weight is 30, which is less than 35, means kangaroo's weight, but its brain weight is more than kangaroo's, means baboon is having 140. So why it is so? It is because baboons are actually the type of monkeys, and monkeys and human brains are very similar. Monkeys and human brains are similar. They are actually the most intelligent animal, you can say. So that's why baboon weight of brain is comparatively more than its body weight. So from your list you will compare that, identify the pattern in their results. Aapne like what the pattern you have observed from their comparison. So what you have observed, that as the body weight is increasing, their brain weight is also increasing. Clear? And which result does not seem fit the pattern, means which was unfit in this pattern. So baboon's brain weight does not fit with his body weight, and that's why it is unfit in this pattern. Then the challenge he has given, that which animal has the biggest brain for its body weight, and how did you work this out? If you see this the comparison of this one worksheet, then you will find out that baboon's weight of brain is more than its body weight, and we work this out by the comparison of both its body and brain weight. Done. Next is there, but you can also find out some other animal than that are listed here. Okay, you can find some other one as well from internet. The next is that, name the given laboratory instruments and write down their uses. The number one is beaker, round bottom flask, tripod stand, filter funnel, microscope and test tube. Then beaker is used for containing or heating small amount of liquids. Round bottom flask is used for the preparation of gases when heating is required. Tripod stand is used for the supporting the apparatus while heating, and filter funnel is used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid by the help of filtration. Microscope is used for observing small objects. Test tube is used for boiling or heating small amount of liquids. Here you have to write down the laboratory instruments and their uses. Cleared? And now that's all. You are having the worksheets in your syllabus. Then thank you. Take care.